Alright, Pyros, this should be interesting right here. I got myself a 10 ball magic shot Roman candle by Suns. And as you can see, this is supposed to be where the tip of it is to light it. And I went to go light it, and nothing happened. So started feeling at the other end. I shoved it down in the snow, as you can see. The fuse is at the fucking bottom of this thing. Let's go see what happens when we give it a light. Hold on 1 second. Whoa! Slippery out here. I ain't got no traction. Ugh. Lights are off. Let's light it up. See what it does. It was like a fountain more than a Roman candle. Right? I don't know what happened there, but that was pretty interesting. Alright, you guys have a good night.